Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today the presentation about pest and disease control seasonal plant, the rice plant commodity. Before we start the presentation, I will introduce the member of group. First is me, Rifan Darmawan, then Pemi Philosofi, Farika Arretama, Ahmad Nur Rohim, and Nita Amalia. Background: farming using synthetic pesticide when controlling pests. Synthetic pesticides are used in excess have a negative impact on health, the environment, ecology, and the economy, making farmers experience a dilemma when controlling pests. Uh, Rice plant, integrated rice control. Integrated rice pest management is important to improve in Indonesia.
Rice plant pest. The first, stem borer. The plant stage that is susceptible to stem borer attack is from seedling to panicle formation. Symptoms of sundep are yellowing, drying, and dying. Leaves and stone tiller. As for the ins and outs symptom, namely brown and dry rice panicle, empty grain, and easily pulled out stem. Control. Plants simultaneously collection of egg group, appropriate pesticide application, spot treatment on symptomatic plants, application of egg parasitoid biological agent Tripogramma sp. Second, walang sangit or Leptocoryxa acuta. Walang sangit attack by sucking the liquid milk from the rice seed during the initial phase of seed formation. The result of this attack will reduce the size and quality of the grain. The seeds that are affected by this attack will break when they are grown into rice because many of the seeds are not fully ripe. Control: implementing a concurrent cropping system, keeping the rice field clean from weeds, catch the stink bug, using predator like spider, using insecticide. The third, plant topper or Nilaparva allugens, rice plant that are attacked by brown plant topper show symptoms of yellowing and drying out quickly. Generally the symptoms appear together at one location and circle or hoverburn. Apart from being a pest, the brown plant topper is also a factor of fungal disease in the rice plant. Control: regulating the planting pattern in plants by planting together or taking turns to break the life cycle of the leafhoppers, using predators such as the Piderus fuscips beetle, Opinia nigroxiata, and the Lycosa pseudonulata spider.
And overall, how we control the pest of rice plant. First one is environmental sanitation and habitat manipulation. We can clean and improve the environment around the rice planting areas, such as shrubs, sometimes fortification, canals, and rice fields, so the pests feel uncomfortable to protect and to produce. And then we can reduce in the size of rice fields, circa 30 centimeter height and width, can inhibit the development of pest population because it's not confident to build nests. And then technical culture. First one is cropping arrangement. It will destruction of the life cycle of the pest because the limited supply of food. And second one is timing of landing. We can implant them together so the pests don't strike at one specific location and it will spread out. It will bring down the average of crop damage. And then simultaneous planting of lowland rice. And the last one is spacing settings like Chicharlogo systems. And then physical control. Physically, by changing the physical environment such as temperature, humidity, light, water, etc. So the pests become deterred or die due to the changes in physical factors. And fourth one is mechanical control, with capturing and killing pests directly or using tools such as hooks, sticks, traps, flamethrowers, or soldering and imposter or fumigation.
Okay, the control solution number five is biological agency. One of the components of the integrated pest control that has good prospect in the use of biological agents and the use of resistant varieties. Utilization of biological agents, for example, by using fungi Bevoria bassiana. Control solution number six is biological. Integrated pest control is right plants by using natural enemies such as owl, snakes, dogs, and cats. Can we can use the cause is the that we can use natural enemies to maintain the balance of the economic ecosystem. With this, we can keep our population below the economical threshold. Next,
Next is chemical control. Farmers already know a lot about this chemical control such as rodenticide, fumigation, etc. However, this method is only recommended when the pest population is very high and other methods have been implemented. Next. Next is conclusion. Integrated pest control or control of plant pests and pathogens based on ecological consideration and economic efficiency in the context of sustainable agroecosystem management. In rice plants, pests can be controlled in an integrated manner in several ways, such as determining the location and time of planting, planting resistant varieties, planting healthy seed, using physical and mechanical method, or we can using biological and chemical method. Next. Okay, that's all from our presentation. Thanks for your attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.